Tired of repeating the same answers over and over? Let's dive into how Wati's quick responses can turn customer service chaos into a breeze. First things first, you'll want to access the settings menu of your Wati account. This is usually located at the bottom left on your main dashboard. Once you're in the settings menu, look for quick responses. It may also be called canned responses. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the page to create or manage all of your predefined responses. Now, to introduce your first time saver, click on the Add Quick Response button. This will pop up a window where we can craft your first predefined response. A new window will appear. This contains 3 input boxes in the response name field. Type what this quick response will be used for instance, a greeting. Then, in response text, write out the complete message. Finally, create a shortcut for quick access. Something easy to remember like, "Hi" for the greeting we're creating. Now, the response is complete. Feel free to select the Save button to confirm this action. Here you can see that you can also edit or delete existing quick responses. Remember to think about common questions your customers ask often and create a quick response for those. You can now go into a chat and trigger these responses by typing the shortcut you created, such as "Hi." The full message will automatically populate, ready to send with a simple click. Congrats! You now know how to create a quick response.